Today, I will share with you how to make a bullet time mix video from your phone, which looks like this. So let's get started. This video is really easy to make. It requires zero editing skills whatsoever. All you will need is your Insta360 1R, the invisible selfie stick, and the bullet time handle. All you need to do is record 6 bullet time videos in 6 different locations using bullet time video mode. When you record a bullet time video, press record on the 1R, give the camera a few seconds to adjust itself, and then start swinging the stick around. If you start swinging the stick around too early, then your bullet time might go all over the place. Make sure to keep your arm dead straight above your head and aim for 1 rotation per second. So once you've filmed all your bullet time videos, then open the 1R app, transfer the footage to your phone, or you can edit the footage directly from the camera itself. Then go to the Stories tab, tap Bullet Time Mix, tap Apply, choose the bullet time videos you wish to add, tap Confirm. Now tap the corner of each bullet time video in the order you want them to play in. So I want this one first, this second, this one third, and so on. Then tap Export, and that's it. If you want to change the aspect ratio, then tap the Editor button, tap Aspect Ratio to change it, and then export your video. That's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. I'd love to see your bullet time mix videos, so please do tag me, and I'll see you in the next one.